Hello, friends. Welcome and happy holidays. We are in the thick of it, are we not? So, with the holiday season, often comes a lot of extra events, extra meetings, extra clutter. So, what I like to do about this time in the holiday season is just do a really fast, quick digital reset under 30 minutes, but it helps to kind of clear that top line clutter, as it were, to free up some space for some holiday cheer and celebration. So again, this is not a full-on reorganization, I should say, but just a quick 30-minute reset. So let's go. So the first thing that I like to do is clear out my inbox. And I do that by going into Gmail, going up into the search bar, and here I've entered a prompt before 2025 10 11. So that is month and day because it's November 11th, so 30 days ago, October 11th. I digress. It's going to pull up anything relevant to that search. You're going to want to select all and then hit the archive button. And that can clear out potentially hundreds, sometimes thousands of email, which always feels really good. Okay, the next thing I like to do is actually on my phone, and that's to clear out any apps that I'm not using anymore. So maybe I had a friend who recently ran the New York City Marathon, and there was an app where we could follow them, no longer relevant, so I'm deleting the app. You might also have different messaging, like apps that you don't use anymore that are outdated. So delete anything you're no longer using, and then you can also create folders for your apps. And you can just do this for even one or two of different types of apps on your phone, and you'd be amazed at how much you can declutter that screen. Another fun thing that you can do also just for the seasons that I like to do is change out my backgrounds on my devices because it makes me happy and it makes me smile, okay? So on your phone, that could be something fun to do is do a little festive background. All right, and the last thing we're gonna do is clear up your desktop. So it can be really quick to do this, and you'd be amazed at how much better it feels to have a decluttered desktop. Just for the holidays, go ahead and right click, create a new folder, call it whatever you want. I'm gonna attempt to call mine archive, but apparently I cannot function archive. So then a really fast way to highlight all of these is just click and drag. It'll highlight all of those. And then you drop and drag into that folder, which also is going to create a new folder on your iCloud. There you have it. All of them. Boom. Isn't that pretty? It just makes me so happy. My Christmas wish come true. Clean desktops for all. Okay, also, I just found out how to throw confetti. Oh, clean desktops for all with confetti. Real Christmas wish come true. Okay, moving on. Okay, so there you have it. 3 really quick digital decluttering options for you as you head into or are in the thick of your holiday season, just to bring a little bit more calm, a little more ease into your life so you can focus on the things that matter, like eating a lot of Christmas cookies. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and as always, happy organizing, my friend. I will see you on the next video.